Hi guys, good morning. Today is 28th of March 2017 and this is Tuesday. Expiry is just in couple of days and here we are. This is, let me open up Nifty's graph. This is Nifty. Nifty, I will open 15 minutes graph. This is Nifty's 15-minute graph. Before I talk about this, let me show you 5 minutes graph. This is 5 minutes graph, right? So 5 minutes Nifty, when yesterday closed, it closed somewhere here, right, which was just trying to take a support, sometime taking support, sometime getting below it. But today when it opened in 5 minutes above 50 moving average, right? When it moved above, when it opened over here, इसके बाद थोड़ी देर यहाँ पे होवर करके करीब 1 घंटा सवा घंटा इट हैज स्टार्टेड गोइंग अप. जैसे ही देखिए यहाँ पे इसने सपोर्ट लिया, इट जस्ट मूव्ड अप वेरी फास्ट अबव, यू नो, एंड देन अगेन देयर इज अ स्ट्रगल. एक संघर्ष हो रहा है अभी भी. उसका रीजन यही है कि 15 मूविंग एवरेज में देयर इज दिस 200 मूविंग एवरेज व्हिच इज प्रोवाइडिंग इट अ रेजिस्टेंस, राइट. तो ये यहाँ पे अभी थोड़ी सी स्ट्रगल हो रही है. अगर सपोज निफ्टी इसको क्रॉस कर लेती है, देन इट शुड गो अप. इट शुड गो अप एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम हियर 25 to 30 मोर पॉइंट्स. और अभी हम 9120 पे हैं, तो इसको करीब 70 पॉइंट्स यहाँ से और ऊपर जाना चाहिए. बट इट शुड क्रॉस इट वेरी फोर्सफुली अपवर्ड. एक बार ये 200 मूविंग एवरेज क्रॉस हो जाएगी, देन निफ्टी विल गो अप. बट एज ऑफ नाउ there is nothing, like we can't take any trade right now. If we take a trade right now, we will be trapped. So we don't have to get trapped. We will wait for the right signals and then only we will take a trade from here. Okay, so this was Nifty. Let's see what's happening in Nifty's 30 minutes graph. Nifty के 30-minute graph में it was, इसने देखिए यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लिया है, यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लिया निफ्टी ने 200 मूविंग एवरेज से. तो देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है. So now what I was thinking, I must now educate you people on buying to become investors rather than becoming traders, because traders, end of the day, out of 100, if you say out of 100 or out of 1000, at least 990 will lose money. So the probability of losing money is very, very high when you are a trader. But when you are an investor, that means your trade is at least for for a longer duration, then the probability of losing money is much lesser. So guys, before I go on to that, I thought today I will introduce myself also. So you've been all wondering who am I and why am I taking these classes, etc., making these videos. So my name is Dr. Seema Jain and I'm a PhD from IIT Delhi, and I'm basically an educationist. I teach. I'm a teacher, basically a teacher, a trainer. I'm a life coach, and I very, very actively work in stock market, and I've been working for past 20 years in stock market. So I've learned from various gurus, various topmost gurus in the industry, and tried to apply it and learn and modify and make it very, very simple. Whatever I'm teaching you is something I've simplified billion times. When you will try to understand what they are teaching, you may find it difficult, but I have made it very simple for everyone to understand. So today, by say another half an hour or so, by 12:30, the website will be launched, and you can look into it. There are two things that we are offering. One is a teaching program where we will be training you, and then second is when we will giving you services. Services are a little expensive because we actually don't want to give you services. We want you to learn. So when you are learning, the charges are pretty reasonable, but at the same time, we will be asking you to have a Demat account, so that in the process of learning itself, you have actually, generated as much amount. So suppose our services are for 15,000 rupees. So you will, by the time you will finish your training, or we'll hold your hands till you earn that amount of money in stock market, right? So what I would suggest you today, that every one of you, each one of you, has to learn to invest rather than to trade. Because every time you will trade, the trading, as I told you, probability is in 1000 only 990 will be losing money and only 10 will be earning money. So the probability is so high. We don't want to fall into that trap. But if you will invest, you will always earn money. So the few stocks that I have already talked about in the other video, yesterday's video, one of them was Sagar Cement. ये Sagar Cement है, ये इसका 30 minutes का graph है, but I want to show you its one day graph. One day graph, you see here, can you see, like if I make it a line graph, let me make it a line graph, you can see this is the double bottom. This is the double bottom. If you see it from the green line also, you can see this is the double bottom that is being made. And then उसके बाद ये ग्राफ ऊपर चल दिया, right? ये ग्राफ ऊपर चल दिया. 50 moving average has taken a resistance support from the 200 moving average. Now 10 moving average is taking a support from 50 moving average, which is a very, very bullish sign, and it's right time to invest in this, because ever since the Modi government has come, it will be working more on infrastructure development. So Sagar Cement, being a cement company, I'm 100% sure should do really well. And the first target that I give you is from this point at least 40 to 50 points above, right? So that means about 830 is what you can expect, or about 30 points above, from 30 to 35 points above from here, which is about good 4 to 5% return. And then I want to show you Heidelberg also. Heidelberg also is doing quite good, like it's right. If it crosses this 200 moving average, it'll give you a good run up, So we were here, we bought it here at this point, and ever since it went down, down, down. But still, if you see, it has made higher bottoms. So there is, like when I took it, immediately after that it went down, and you people all asked me, questioned me, and I told you that you have to wait for a while more. But once it crosses this 10 moving average, see, this 10 moving average is taking a support on 50 moving average in weeks graph, right? In a week graph. So that means it has the moment it takes a turn upward, it'll be giving you a good run of about 30 to 40 points, right? So this is again, it'll give you about 20% return here. So this was, and let's see what's happening in Indo count. Indo count is at somewhere here, 199. I am sure you must be all remembering when did I give you. I gave it to you at 176. What I was thinking, now I will start maintaining an Excel sheet, so that you have it for your reference, that how predictable my trades are. And see, this is where Indo count is, right? So little bit profit booking here and there keeps coming, but this has also given you about 8%, upward move from the point that I suggested you. So this is Indo count. Then we were talking about, let's see, so today one more stock that I want to give you. That stock's name is Volt Amp. This is Volt Amp. And it is basically a transformer making company. It makes transformers, right? So as summer is approaching, and the summer is supposedly going to be very, very hot this year, इस साल लगता है कि गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ेगी, तो ये ट्रांसफार्मर की कंपनी है वोल्ट एम्प, एंड इट्स अ वेरी, वेरी रॉक सॉलिड कंपनी. आप इसके बारे में, इसकी भी फंडामेंटल रिसर्च करिए, आपको उसमें भी पता लग जाएगा. और ये भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग इसका ग्राफ है. सो ये स्टॉक एक और आप अपने पोर्टफोलियो में ऐड करिए. इट विल गिव यू अ गुड रिटर्न इन नेक्स्ट 1 मंथ के अंदर ही आपको ये जो है इसका टारगेट हो जाना चाहिए करीब 1050 तो होना ही चाहिए. इस पॉइंट से करीब 50 पॉइंट ऊपर, 50-60 पॉइंट ऊपर. सो दैट मीन्स इट शुड गिव यू गुड 5 to 6% return in a month's time, and which is an excellent return. Trust me, in bank you get a return of about 7 to 8% over an year. बैंक आपको वो रिटर्न देता है, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर भी आपके टैक्सेस होते हैं. बट हियर यू आर पुटिंग इट इन इक्विटी, द रिटर्न इन अ मंथ्स टाइम इज गोना बी अबाउट 5 to 7%. सो आई want to request you to today very, very sincerely that if you have 20,000 rupees, if you have 40,000 rupees, you have 2 lakhs, you can earn consistent returns if you invest. But if you do day trading, or if you day trading is absolutely no, right? Those who are interested in day trading, I wouldn't be teaching them. They can learn by themselves in various methods, and I am only interested in teaching those who want to do investment. So investment, and those who are interested in protecting their capital and growing with the market. So please, guys, abhi in another half an hour's time, the website will be live. You can go through it and you can select what you want. You can decide, and then within 2-3 days only we will start with our, like the moment we have about 20-25 enrollments, we will immediately start with the training. In the training, it will be me and my colleague. She's a CA. Her name is Soni Duakaran. She will also be, teaching you about the stocks basics. She is a CA and ICWA by profession. So she will also be teaching you about the stocks basics and the fundamentals. So guys, today I'm closing with the, thought that you all will now look into stock market as serious income generating tool, not as some place where you can gamble. Start investing now, and let's see what's happening in Nifty before I close. So Nifty is here. Here is Nifty. This is 1-day graph. Let's see what's happening in 15 minutes. So it's it's not being, it still has not crossed, this 200 moving average. So hoping, if it crosses, it'll be really good. In that case, it'll go up for another, at least 20-25 points. It should go up instantly. So all the best, guys. All the best. I'm really getting a lot of encouraging mails, and I'm hearing that you all are learning and you all are earning money, and I'm quite happy about it. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. So today's 3 stocks that I've given you, I mean, जिसने अभी तक भी invest नहीं किया है वो कर सकता है, ठीक है? Even Delta Corp is doing so well today. You can take. See, and let me just put you again give you again the list of stocks that I want. I believe will be good for investment. First one is Indocount. Then we have Greenply. Then we have Delta Corp. Then we have Apar Industries. Then we have Sagar Cement. Then we have Heidelberg Cement. Then we have Volt Amp, right? These are a few stocks that you can surely look into. And another stock that I have on my radar is Castrol India, and even Dr. Patla. So ये सारे stocks हैं जो जिसके पास अगर जितना भी amount है उसको आप 5-6 shares में अपने आप थोड़ा और analysis करके distribute करके खरीद लीजिए. In a month's time you should get about 5-10% return from it. So guys, please invest wisely and learn before you really invest in stock market. All the best.